The DG800 and DG900 series arbitrary waveform generators both feature a 4.3-inch touchscreen display and traditional buttons and knobs, which allow the engineer the ability to control the instrument with either option or with a combination of the two. To start off with, we have two main buttons which allow us to navigate through the instrument's main menu system. The first is our main menu button, which this brings us to the main menu of the instrument, which allows us to select our waveform, if we want modulated, swept, bursted, or even some of the advanced functions. And once we're in this section, the other one that we can use is the home button, which this brings us to our waveform menu, which allows us to change the frequency, amplitude, offset, and so on. So back to our main menu button. In order to navigate through the instrument by using the buttons and knobs, we're mainly using the potentiometer and knob here, along with our arrow buttons here to move throughout the menu. So we can use our potentiometer to select which one we would like to highlight and use. And then once we do, we can then arrow over, and we'll see a second box appear around the sine wave, but let's bring that over and make it a little more obvious. So we can select a square wave with that, and we can press on it, and this will bring us to our home menu for this section, which now we can change our amplitude, frequency, and so on. And to do that, we say press on our highlighted section, and then we can increase the frequency up by using the potentiometer, or we can use the arrow buttons to move around to change different points if needed. And then once we've fixed a value that we're happy with, we can press on it to enter it into the system. The other way we can navigate around the instrument is through the 4.3-inch touchscreen display. So to navigate between the home menu and main menu, we can either swipe on the screen to bring us back to the main menu, or swipe the other way to bring us back to the home menu. Then for, say, changing our frequency, we can just simply tap on that and then enter a value, let's say 25, and then we can change our value to megahertz, and we can press OK, and it'll change our value to 25 megahertz. Then to change, say, from a square wave to a sine wave, we just simply swipe back and use our main menu button to select a sine wave. The DG800 series and DG900 series arbitrary waveform generators both feature a versatile user interface with a 4.3-inch touchscreen display and standards buttons and knobs, which allow the user to choose the method they prefer to interact with the instrument. If you have any questions about these instruments or family of instruments, please contact us at Regal or visit regalna.com for more details.